Hello everyone, I'm Sam Heckel, CM's Applications Chemist, and I'm here to talk to you about microwave cleaning. So microwave cleaning is when you're going to have really dirty stuff or really low level requirements such as low PPP, low PPT, and it may take a couple of runs to get it that clean. So what you need to do is you take your distilled acids such as this or ultra pure, alright, or even EDTA solution. So what you would do is you take the solid EDTA and make it 5% weight per volume. Take 10 mils of any of these, put it in your vessel, such as this. If you're having to use 15 mils for your digestion, go ahead and use 15 mils to clean Look 2. If you're using nitric acid for your digestion, use nitric acid to clean. If you're using aqua regia, use aqua regia. Use the acid that you're using for your digestion to clean with. All right, so you would seal up your vessel. Place it in the turntable, and take it over to the microwave. All right, now you need to go into your one-touch directory and pick either Express Clean or Easy Prep Clean. Obviously, you use Express Clean with Express vessels, and it cleans at 150 degrees. It's all the way at the bottom, where the X's are. Or you would use Easy Prep Clean if you're using Easy Preps or iPrep vessels, and they clean at 180 degrees C. All right, it's about a 10 or 15 minute clean. You want to let it run through the cycle, nuke it. After that, you want to rinse it out with DI water, let it air dry, and it should be clean.